Now we will see how this kind of phase diagram can be constructed with the help of MS Word and Excel. Also the PowerPoint can be used. At the very first, we have to draw it manually, what we actually do in our exams. Like we have this one right now. So I will take these points from x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis represents the composition and the y-axis represents the temperature. But we don't need all these points. We will take only the important ones. Like for 0 I have temperature of 200, for 16 I have temperature of 960, for 42 or 43 I have temperature 1320, for 78 I have temperature 830, and for 100% I have temperature 1560 also. And in case of 0% I have temperature 1280. So I will take these points and write it down in the Excel. Okay, this was done before, so I go to the new. So I will write it down 0. So here it was 200, it was 1280, for 2 it was 960, for 16 it was also 960, for 42 it was 1320. Okay, 1320. And for 78 it was 830, and for the 100% it is what? It is 1560. Okay, so I have all the points now. Now I will go to insert and go to scatter and plot it. So I have this diagram right now, but there is a fault in this diagram, as because the maximum percentage we should have is 100%, but we have only 120 here. So we will modify it. We'll change this one from 120 to 100. Okay, we are done. So now we have the maximum percentage of 100. Now what we actually do in our exams, we take our scale, or someone only take their hand and pen and connect these points. So here we will do shapes and go to the curve option, and we'll connect this. Okay, now again go to the curve, took it. Okay, so this is how all the points will be connected. So then okay, the final one is not curvy. Okay, so we have this kind of diagram right now, and for the lines, for example, okay, so sorry, I have also missed another one here. No, it's not looking good. Okay, done. Now for the lines, this is how the lines can be drawn. These lines can be modified with the help of shape format, and like this, and we can also change the color. Okay, so this is how the phase diagram can be constructed. I have here, but the question is, mm, we need to mention all the points here, like 78, 16, and also in the case of temperature is 830 or 1320. These points are not automatically done in Excel. As you can see, there is no point of 78 or 830 in the temperature, so we need to do it manually in the Word. For this, we will take an screenshot of this one and we'll paste it on MS Word, and after that we will write the points wherever we need. For example, if I delete 830 and I want to mention this point as 830 temperature, so I will go to insert and text box, we'll write 830, and go to this one and small times New Roman, okay. So I have mentioned the point of 830. This is how all the points can be mentioned wherever we need. Then for the inside points, like inside liquid solution, alpha calcium magnesium, beta calcium magnesium, CmG2 or beta liquid, all this can be written with the help of this same text box feature. Just go, drag and change it. Okay, so this is how overall phase diagram can be constructed. Forgive if I have done any mistake. Thank you everyone.